Okay, here we have a modified Tyco refrigerator car. I just found it out recently. I bought this used for $3 at Charles Rowe Supply Co. You can see it has sprung trucks, not original. And it has body-mounted couplers. Originally, this sort of had truck-mounted couplers. And I don't know who did this, but I'm quite happy with the way it turned out. And I am aware that the truck on the other side is slightly worn out. But nevertheless, it still rolls, bounces. I have to adjust the height of the coupler on the passenger car. I just bought it because I liked it. So, it plays well with all these other cars. This is just a weird mix of things. Different brands here. But I buy what I like. As you can see, it gets along with all the cars in both directions, backward, forward. Oh, while I'm on the topic of cheap train cars that could use improvement, I'll show you this other car, which is oddly constructed. This is a Baby Ruth car. This one might be Tyco also, but I'm not sure. A friend gave it to me, but there is a hole in there. I am going to change these couplers over to KDs. I just haven't got them in the mail yet. But I did have a car with a KD at one end, knuckle coupler at one end, and one of these hideous horn hooks just so I could run it. Because the other Pennsylvania caboose I have has horn hooks on it. That's got to be changed over. So I get some good lighting. And Baby Ruth candies used to be made by Curtis Candies. Now they're made by Nestle. Just some random stuff, and that's about all.